Hi, everyone. My name is Jafreen Uddin, and I'm the Executive Director of the Asian American Writers Workshop, a national nonprofit organization dedicated to amplifying Asian and Asian diasporic storytelling. Since our founding in 1991, we have been at the forefront of Asian American literary culture, mobilizing our radically inclusive community of readers and writers to imagine and create a more just future. Support from the National Endowment for the Arts has been and continues to be critical for our work. The NEA supports our literary programming, which includes about 40 to 50 public events each year, as well as our community workshops, which take place at high schools and senior centers throughout New York City. Thanks to the NEA, nearly every event we host is free and open to the public. Our community workshops bring the power of the arts and storytelling directly to students and seniors, providing an intergenerational artistic outlet that we believe is more important than ever. It is incredibly heartening to see a commitment to supporting arts and culture in the American Rescue Plan. Here at the workshop, we believe that storytelling and literature is at the very heart of our recovery. It needs to be. It gives us the words and narratives we need to put shape to our lived experiences. Supporting artists is critical as we work together as a nation to reimagine and build back a future rooted in equity, joy, and possibility. On behalf of the Asian American Writers Workshop, thank you to the team at the NEA for all that you do in helping make our work possible.